Ladies and gentlemen of the Nerd Army, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing sick. Today we got two lightsaber sound fonts to review, both of which are made by Blue Mamba. He's making sound fonts now. Very sick. Very good friend of the channel. Big up him. And he's made two fonts that I'm extremely gassed to be trying out. You guys know I love Mortal Kombat. Next to Tekken is my favourite fighting game of all time. And my favourite character is Sub-Zero. And today's font, we've got both of them bad boys, Sub-Zero and Scorpion. And that is question of the day. Who's your favourite character from Mortal Kombat? Whoever it is, please let me know down below. That'd be sick. And the last two things, obviously, if you want today's sound fonts, check it out in the description. Tell them the nerd sent ya. And lastly, both fonts will be demoed on the Sabertrio Aaron. Let's check this out. We're starting off with Scorpion. Let's do this, man.
Sound bank selection.
Ooh, come on.
Get over here!
Bruv, my man did not have Get Over Here as the pre-on thing. Reload that, bruv. Hold up, man.
Fatality.
Ah, oh, you are taking the piss, bruv. Slow it down. Hold up, man. Reload it. Hold up, bruv.
Get over here! Get over here!
That was sick, man. We've got Flaming Blade. You know, Scorpion's all about the fire life. Ah, yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, got a bit of the chains there. I like that. Oh, brother. This is a naughty font, boy. I'm starting to stress now. I want Sub-Zero to be better. Love that. Really sick. The tip drag, same. Yes, burn! Rush! Yeah? Yep. Man just took his head clean off. Brother, the Force. This whole font is naughty, man.
Fatality.
Bruv, the fatality bit. Just one last time, man. Come on.
Get over here!
That ignition, yeah, and the pre-on is disgusting. Let's check out Sub-Zero, man.
Fatality. For the Lin Kuei.
Come on, Sub-Zero.
To the death.
Yes, my G. Come on, bruv.
Finish him!
Yes! Got to finish him. Ooh, that ice blade. That's disgusting, fam. That is really sick. Ooh, nice bit of a cold breeze. Yeah. I'm liking it. Yes! Mate, the smooth swing is very sick. Ooh, the ice breaking noises, bruv. Come on!
Love Sub-Zero.
Yes! Wanna hear, bruv? Yeah. I don't know how he's got these ice noises, but it's bloody sick, mate. That's what I wanna hear. Sub-Zero murdering people. Yes! Die! I actually don't know which one I prefer. Probably Sub-Zero. Just because I really do love Sub-Zero. I love Scorpion, obviously, but Sub-Zero is my boy.
Flawless victory.
Yes, brother.
Get over here!
That has been two banger Mortal Kombat lightsaber sound fonts. They're both getting, of course, the 10 out of 10 God tier stamp of nerd approval from your boy. Hey man, big up Blue Mamba. Smashed it, mate. Absolutely smashed it. I bloody love Mortal Kombat, so that is, you done it right, bro. It's very sick. Again, if you want those bad boys, there's a German direct link is in the description. Go crazy, check it out. Tell them the nerd sent you. Very soon, at the time of this recording, maybe in like 2 weeks-ish, something like that, I'm going to be doing my favourite sound fonts of 2023, which will be the 3rd year that I've done that video. I started off with a top 30, then it was a top 50, and now it's looking like a top 70, and you bet your ass, mate, both those bad boy fonts are on there. But I'm pointing to the Saber, not just some random spot in my room, but you get it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Big up Blue Mamba. Again, check out link in the description. You guys are the sickest. Big up the Nerd Army. Take care and peace.